Hello, I'm Derrick, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you in everyday life. Now, in the spirit of DIY, fellow YouTubers, the Creators Cup, created this adapter to put on top of your K3M Sony XLR adapter, or if you have the FX3 model, they're pretty much the same thing, so this adapter will work straight for you. So I'll link them below so you can check out their channel and also check out the adapter and how they made it. But I'll show you my setup, and then I'll kind of break it down what the adapter looks like and what it actually does when you put it all together. Now right here, this is my setup, and usually I have my camera on a tripod, so I'm not really running and gunning or anything like that. So I have the tripod head, I'll have the camera, and then I'll have the K3M, and then I'll have a XLR adapter that's wireless. So usually I don't like wires or extensions or anything if I can get away with it. So this will transmit my signal to my shotgun mic, which is about a foot away from me. It's actually right here, whereas my camera is about 2 to 3 feet away from me. So I like to have my shotgun mic as close as possible. So on here, and I'll show a picture of it, you have the shotgun microphone mount, which I removed because I don't really use it. Like I said, I like to have mine boomed closer to my mouth, and I don't want it further away attached to the camera. So the adapter, you have to remove that, and you just put the adapter on, and then I can mount other things like this monitor. So I'd have it turned around, but so I can actually look at myself to make sure I'm lined up perfectly and everything, and I'm displaying stuff center. So this is pretty much my setup that I do when I record videos like this. So let's break this down, and I'll show you what the adapter looks like and how it's all put together. So this is the adapter the Creators Cup made. Very simple. They 3D printed it, and it's very strong material. I know it looks a little odd until you actually put it into play, but we'll put this to the side. Now this is the K3M with the shotgun holder, or if you have the FX3, same thing. And then you just remove 2 screws and take this off, because I don't need it anymore. And these are the screws that come with it. Fairly small, but secure. And then we're going to put this down. Now, what we're going to do is take the adapter, and they supplied 2 screws for this as well, because what you're going to do is mount this bracket onto there so you can put things like how I have a monitor. So I did have to purchase this separately. I think it was like 10 bucks or something like that, fairly inexpensive. And then you just mount this on top. And there you go. So now you have it. And then what you want to do, and this was the scary part for me at first because it feels like it could break, but it's sturdy material. And this is how they showed in the video. You just wrap it around, bend it out just a little bit, and then clamp it on. And then now it's actually on there really secure. So some people were concerned about the screws that were holding it in, if they were strong enough. They're really not holding that much weight. They're just kind of holding it down so this doesn't wiggle. So definitely not worried about having too much weight on this and these screws ripping out. So you just want to put those in place. See, no movement. So the only other thing that I would say is not a con, but just so you know, if you're looking through here, it's not totally sealed. There's some, so don't think anything's wrong. It's just, 3D printing isn't perfect. But yes, there's a little bit of light that comes through the sides, but not a big deal. Like I said, there's no wiggle, no play. It's perfectly fine. So now I can mount a monitor on there if I want, or pretty much anything else that I can put on this bracket. It's totally up to you, whatever you decide. So I think this is a great little invention. Like I said, I'll link their channel below. I'll also link the website where you can order it, and then show them some love. So if you like what you saw and you want to see more, take a look at some of my other videos, and thank you and take care.